So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to file for your HST rebate for a brand new condominium purchase that you're using as a rental property online through your CRA account. Just as a disclaimer, this is not legal or tax advice. If you want to talk to a professional, talk to your tax accountant or your lawyer. This is just for informational purposes only. I've done this myself dozens and dozens of times for my properties, and it's worked for me. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm making this updated video because CRA did change their interface. So if you watch one of my previous older videos, you would have probably seen the old interface. So this is the updated version, so it's more up to date. And it's pretty much the same process. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing you got to do is to log into your CRA account. We've already logged in to the homepage of the CRA account here. So if you look at more services, you see file and GST HST rebate. So you click this. So you're going to be applying for the GST HST new residential rental property rebate, the very last one here, the GST 524. Click next. And then you click next again, which will lead you to this page here. So the first section, if you do have a HST number, then you can enter that information into here. If you don't, then just leave it blank. We're going to use English, the contact person. So I'm going to enter the person, the phone number. On this section here, you'll add any additional owners. Last name and the first name. In this case, there is no additional owners. So the claimant's mailing address. I'm going to fill that information in. Click next. So the address of the property, you're going to enter that information into here, and the postal code. So for the relevant date, this is the actual date that you actually closed on. So I'm going to pull up the statement of adjustments here. So you can see the final closing date is May 25th here, 2023. So we're going to enter that into here. And then this, if you took occupancy, is going to be your occupancy date. So you can see that we took interim occupancy on January the 6th, 2023. So we're going to enter that date into here. All right. So the lot or strata number, strata is a term that they use in the West Coast. So in here we use corporations. So this is TSCP 2975. So I'm going to put TSCP 2975. So the plan number, I've just been putting in the legal description. But because they give you so little space, you have to abbreviate it. You can't actually put in unit. So you see your legal description is unit 11, level 16. I just go 11, comma, level 16. In the other section, I add in any parking or locker information. So here we do have a storage unit 261, level B. So I'll just go storage 261, level B. Again, if you run out of space because you have a lot more lockers or parking, just abbreviate it. I've never had any issues with this in the past, so I don't think it's that important. Is this a mobile home? No. Click next. So this brings you to the next section, section C. So the type of claimant is a purchaser and landlord. The date of the sales agreement. So I'm going to go back to the original contract. So this is the front page of your agreement of purchase and sale. And it's dated the 7th day of October, 2017. So I'm going to enter that into here. 2017, 7th day of October. So the type of construction, it's a new construction. Type of housing, is a condominium unit. So in this section, I think if you are claiming the rebate on your GST HST return, then you would add in the reporting period on which you're claiming it. But in most cases, I'll just leave it blank. In my case, I'm leaving it blank because I'm not actually claiming it on my GST return. So the type of application is a type 6, and you want to include this form as a part of your application because this is going to be your provincial HST rebate portion. Click Next. In this section, they're going to calculate the rebate for you. So we're going to select 13%, and then we're going to go back to the statement of adjustments and see what the total HST payable is. So the total HST payable is $38,728.14. So $38,728.14. So for the fair market value, you can put what you think is today's fair market value if you want to, but in most cases, I just add the purchase price. So the net purchase price is the actual value. So the $297,908.74. That's the number I'll enter into here. $297,908.74. And then the purchase price of the property, I'll add that number in here as well. If CRA wants to reevaluate it, that's completely up to them. And if they choose to do so, they will. So if that happens, then you're going to have to pay the new adjusted amount. But this isn't a problem as long as this will only be a problem if your purchase price is in the 300 range. I'll explain that in a future more detailed video because you need to actually understand how this HST rebate works. But anyways, just keep that in mind. If your purchase price is over $450,000 and your fair market value is much above that, then it doesn't matter to you at all because the maximum rebate that you can, and the threshold at $450,000 is the $24,000. So that won't even change your value at all. So this fair market value shouldn't be an issue. It will only be an issue, again, if you're in the 300,000 range. So click Next. So in this section here is where you need to upload all the supporting documents. So the first document you need is the rental or lease agreement. We're not claiming for multiple units, so we can skip this section here. If you're a purchaser and landlord, you must also upload the signed purchase and sale agreement, which is your contract, excluding attachments, and then also the statement of adjustments for the purchase of the property. So let's upload. First is the agreement of a purchase and sale. So signed purchase and sale agreement. Add the file. Add another file. We're going to choose a file here. So the rental agreement. Add the file. Add another file. Choose a file. And this is a statement of adjustments. And then click Add File. So you're uploading these 3 files. Just confirm it. And then click Next. So once you submit this, it will automatically perform the calculation for you and give you the total rebate amount. In some statement of adjustments, it'll break all of this down for you. In this one, it doesn't. So I'm just going to check on the very bottom of the page here because it states the HST rebate, which is included in the purchase price. So it says $23,236.88, $23,236.88. I know those two numbers match so that this is actually correct. So then I'm going to want to have my rebate directly deposited into my bank account, and I'm going to add this information into the this form as well. So I certify that all the conditions stated above have been met. All right. And let's put in the banking information now. So your branch number, this is your transit number. If you look at a void check, you can see that it's these 5 numbers here. So I'm going to enter that into here. And then your institution number is a 3-digit number, your bank institution number, and then your account number, which is this section here. We can put that in there as well. And the name of the account holder. And then you click submit. So that's it. You've successfully filed your HST rebate. As you can see, it was very easy and quick to do. This is your confirmation number. I would print this page and keep a copy of it. So I just saved a copy of this file onto my computer, and that's all you have to do. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. I hope you found this information helpful and useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you've actually commented on my previous videos, you know I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and I try to respond to every single comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to really help the algorithm and other people that are looking to make their HST rebate claims find the video. In addition, you'll be able to keep up with any other real estate videos that I upload to YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.